This is my Robo Alive Python. There you go. We've had other Robo Alive products like this dinosaur over here. So, short little video of this. Most of the movement is through the head. There's the motor over there. The batteries can be changed from over. If you lift these two things apart, push and lift, there's a battery compartment. So let's go downstairs and try it out. It won't work on carpet. I've tried and it just moves a little bit. It has to be a flat surface. Having some trouble. No, I just changed the batteries. And so, sadly, there's some going on with this baby. I'm having trouble keeping it on. Before it used to work fine. You see it turns on for a second, so I may need to exchange this. Yeah. So there's my short video. Hopefully you don't get one like this. Maybe there's the sensors being blocked or something. Or I didn't put on the battery completely. Let's see.